Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by enabling developer options and turning on USB debugging. This gives your PC control without root. Once done, install platform tools on your computer and connect the phone. Run a DB devices to confirm authorization. If prompted, accept the computer on the phone. Make sure the battery is above half and use a reliable cable to avoid disconnects. Now you're ready to execute resolution commands from the computer. Don't skip verification with a DB devices before moving forward. Next, you set the display dimensions directly using a DB shell commands. This is how you change resolution without root. First, run a DB shell WM size, width hx height to specify the target pixel dimensions, for example 1080 x 1920. Then, adjust perceived scale with a DB shell WM density 480 to match UI elements. After each change, use apps and the launcher to verify layout and touch accuracy. If something looks off, you can run a DB shell WM size, reset to return to the default before committing. To finalize, reboot the device so the new resolution and density persist across sessions. This ensures apps recalculate layout properly. Once the phone restarts, inspect navigation, keyboard, and camera previews. If the UI is misaligned or unresponsive, immediately reconnect and run the reset commands or restore your saved original values. Alternatively, reinstall your launcher or clear its cache. One key troubleshooting tip: if touch targets are wrong, lower the density incrementally until controls are usable, then reboot again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.